Hey guys, this is Dr. McFarland, and today I want to give a quick comparison between the Apple iPhone audio versus the Rode Videomic Me audio. So first, you're hearing me talk right now just without the microphone because obviously I have it in my hand. And here in a second, I'm going to plug the mic in so you can hear me talk through the mic. Alright, so here I am with the microphone plugged in. And let me know if you hear a difference down in the comments. Now I'm actually going to play a clip where I played my acoustic guitar first off without the microphone and then with the microphone plugged in. And to me, you can hear a huge difference